Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Wanted to do an update video on a couple of the projects that we're in, some of the things that have really been moving. Wanted to get this out earlier, but I actually got a call from a previous mentor of mine and had to chat it up with her because she's an absolute beast. She's just fantastic. So really good conversation. It put this one a little bit further behind the time frame. I wanted to get it out, but that's how it goes. So let's talk about Snyperfund first because it got a slow start. It really only got about $14,000 on day one. And then it started off at 3%, and then as of the first, it went to 4%. As you can see somewhere, it says that, yeah, up to 4% here. So now it's 4% if you deposit, and that caused a big influx. Last couple of days, it surged, 55,000 or something like that. We're up to 72,000, and it's really getting a lot of traction. So, not financial advice. A lot of people are looking at this as if it just launched yesterday because that's when all the new investors come in. That's when the new capital came in. So just be aware of that. But if you jump in, you can get your 4%. I just keep claiming. I got 47.92 available right now, so I could claim that and withdraw my rewards. So I've just been doing that. In addition to that, they launched their NFTs. So that is mint.snyperfund.com. Of course, the main website is just app.snyperfund.com. But you can go in here and you can mint it. It's going to give you 5% cash back on your stake on Snyperfund. Also, it's going to give you additional benefits for the projects they're going to do in the future. So that could be interesting, giveaways, all that type of stuff. So you come over here, you approve it. Of course, it's in USDT, but Snyperfund is starting to crush it. So it was a bit of a sleeper, but I'm really liking the direction that it's going. Hopefully this will get up over 100,000. Like I said, really the deposits just started rolling in yesterday and today. So for the first few days, we could see this rising up. But I'd love to see this get over 100,000. And I'm just collecting my ROI. It's kind of like a standard ROI Dapp where you're just getting your percentage per day. It's Ponzi-nomics. So all these new investors that come in, it's good for earlier investors. So if you got in earlier on, then you're in pretty good shape. Next up, BigWhale.io. I think BigWhale's TVL now is over $1 million, which is just fantastic. So congratulations to them. Again, I just got the 1.5 BNB in here. What I'm doing is letting it build up and then I'm claiming it. I need to get back to a specific ROI, then I'll figure out what I want to do. But nothing but good things so far from BigWhale. It's been around for months. A lot of people that have been in it really like it. And so far, I have zero problems. So check out BigWhale and congratulations to the team for getting over $1 million in there. And jumping over to Delta Ventures, I did add that extra money to get myself up to 2,000 invested. This is without the fees. Again, I've got 9 more days. Basically, you got 14 days until you can claim in between claims. So the money sits, they trade it. They've been real transparent about that. Absolutely no issues here. I am trying to see if I can get an AMA with them because some of you guys have questions just about the trading and how the protocol works or whatever and how they're sustainable. They're really getting a great return this week, 1.5. So that's fantastic. I've got 136 available. And on the $2,000 I put in at about this rate, it's about $400 every 2 weeks. So $800 a month on a $2,000 investment. And that's awesome. This thing can continue to last. It'll be great. I do plan on putting more money in here. So I'm just trying to figure out when the right time is for me to get that done. But I will be most likely just adding more money in here, maybe getting this up to 2,500 and going from there. But so far so good. Last but not least, since I want to cover this quickly, let's jump over to Drip and let's talk Triple D. So Drip Drop Draw, of course, came out yesterday. So far the functionality is pretty much flawless. We've seen major sell-offs, big wallets dumping. So it's pulled the price down, but it's supported it fairly well. We're still at 17 cents. I think this is going to take a little bit of time. I need to see what happens with the pricing over the next week. Right now, I am just buying tickets. I've got 29 for this one, and let's see what happens. So this round's almost over. I haven't won anything yet, but hopefully I will. So on the Drip Drop Draw side, some people are saying, oh, why isn't the price doubled or whatever? There's been major selling, so it's helping support. I think once some of those big wallets get drained and sell out, we should start to see some price appreciation. It's frustrating. I was hoping to see it just slowly climb, but a lot of people were waiting for launch day to dump. I mean, they were just letting their wallets build up. I even have some that I'd like to sell, but I'm not going to sell at these low prices. So I'm just going to kind of build that up and responsibly sell at the right times. But I'm going to keep buying tickets. I'm buying them with fresh capital, and I'm going back and forth between doing the deposit entry where I'm actually depositing that, and then also doing the sacrifice entry where I'm just burning those, and hopefully I win. that's nice because it gives you some extra entries. But anyway, that's what I'm working on. Hopefully you guys are enjoying those projects. Most important thing is that they're safe. You know what I mean? When you try to make money, we certainly don't want any rug pulls or anything like that. So far, everything's working well. It's working as it's designed, but you got to be vigilant out there. So thank you guys for joining the channel as always, and happy investing.